In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your default browser on your UC browser. It's very much simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do this. So the first and simple way to do this is you can see that your browser section there. You can see the arrow on your screen. Just tap on that section there and you can choose any of them. So let's say I want to use Bing. So I choose Bing, and now Bing is my default browser. So I can move to this side to the settings to do that too as well. Let me show you guys that option too. So tap on the hamburger menu, bottom middle. You tap on your settings at the bottom left. After that, we scroll, and then we move to our search settings and we move to home page default engine. Yes, you can see Bing has been selected, what I did earlier. So let's choose ChatGPT. Now let's come back, and you can see ChatGPT has been selected here. You get it. So that's it on how you select a default browser on UC browser. If you're new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.